Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will help you play eFootball better. First, let's master the fundamental controls. Understanding basic passing, shooting, and dribbling is crucial for building effective attacks and maintaining possession. On defense, learn to position your players well and time your tackles to win the ball back quickly. Practicing these core mechanics will lay a strong foundation for your gameplay, allowing you to execute more complex strategies with confidence and precision. Spend a few minutes each day refining these essential skills. Moving on to advanced tactics, choosing the right formation is key to success. Experiment with different setups to find one that complements your player's strengths and your preferred style of play. Custom tactics allow you to fine-tune your team's attacking and defensive behaviors, creating a more cohesive unit. Utilize through balls and 1-2 passes to unlock stubborn defenses, and don't forget to practice set pieces. Mastering these elements can give you a significant edge over your opponents. Next, let's talk about player management and team building. Selecting players with high ratings in key attributes is vital for a strong squad. Develop their skills through consistent training to enhance their on-field performance. Pay attention to player form and condition before each match to ensure your starting 11 is always at its best. Building strong team spirit and chemistry will lead to better coordination and overall effectiveness during gameplay, making your team a formidable force. Finally, consistent practice and a strong mindset are indispensable for improvement. Regularly engage in training modes to refine your techniques and experiment with new strategies. After matches, take time to analyze your gameplay, identifying both strengths and areas needing improvement. Staying calm and focused, even when facing tough opponents or experiencing setbacks, is crucial. Learn from every game, adapt your approach, and you will steadily climb the ranks, becoming a truly skilled eFootball player.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.